Alright, this is going to be a sandwich of epic proportions. Right, first of all, I managed to get hold of this rather nice sun-dried tomato ciabatta. I was so impressed by the other ciabatta, the olive ciabatta that I used last time, that I thought we'd go with its twin, which is this little beauty. Right, as a selection of things, we're going to spread that not with butter, we're going to spread that with strong spreadable mature cheddar. So that's the English component. We're also going to put on some Dutch Maasdam cheese. It's a lovely sweet and fruity flavoured cheese, ever so slightly nutty as well, really nice. Some German peppered salami, which is really nice. I like German salami. And some German smoked ham, so that's the German element. And we're going a little bit further east now because we're using some Polish wieszka sausage, which is wonderful. If you've never tried wieszka sausage, I suggest you do. And it comes in, you can get it in slices like this. All this I bought in Aldi. You can get it in slices like this, or you can buy it as a large sausage, which is rather good. I've got some basil or basil, depending which side of the pond you're on, and some nice large tomatoes or tomatoes, again depending which side of the pond you're on. Some cucumber, because I love cucumber, and I've got a little bit of midget gem lettuce, which I'm going to shred up and put together on this sandwich. So let's get started. Let me get all that over there. I wanted to make a sandwich that would rival the BMT you can get from Subway. Let's get this out. Smells awesome so far. And I've got a thing about sun-dried tomatoes. I really do enjoy them. So let's get that cut along the middle and open it up like that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And true to form, it's just as good as it was on the previous sandwich. Lovely bits, whole chunks of sun-dried tomato in that loose textured bread. Right, I'm going to get a spreader and we're going to start spreading the cheese. This is a bit like American Cheese Whiz on it instead of butter, so let's get that on there. And you can be a bit generous with it. Let's get that spread out. It's a bit Moorish, this is. Really fond of that. And I think my brother is too. Again, I'm going to make this huge sandwich and then just divvy it up between the two of us. There we go. Let's get that on there. Right, let's get busy with the cheese. And we've already got a cheese element on it. But hey, why not have another one? Because we can, right? Let's do it that way. That's enough cheese, I think. The next thing I want to do is I want to put on some peppered salami, which looks rather good. And we're not going to mess around it. We're going to get a lot on there. Oh, that smells nice and smoky too. That really is good. This sandwich is not recommended to you if you're on Weight Watchers. But hey, we've done well on our diet, so we deserve a bit of fun. Let me tuck that under there. Move that along there. Nice generous amount of that. And I think now is the time we need to go in with some grain mustard. Actually, let's use the Dijon mustard today. used grain last time. Let's use a bit of Dijon. And I love mustard, so you put on as much as you like on your sandwich, but I'm putting this amount on my sandwich. I'm putting no pickles inside this sandwich. I'm actually going to put pickles on the side. So what we got, I think we need to go to the Polish side of life and add some of this lovely Wieszka sausage, which is amazing. I love the flavour of this. It's a lightly smoked ham sausage. It's got that lovely flavour I associate with the Polish charcuterie. It's just, I don't really get that from any other charcuterie really, other than Polish. It is really amazing. I do love it. So I'm going to put that amount on there. So as you see, it's already building up to be quite a substantial sandwich. And now for the pièce de résistance, we're using this rather nice German lightly smoked ham. I'm just going to chuck all this on there because I can. And as you see, it's making something awesome, and that ends on that side. Right, now the time for the bit that the pure carnivores don't like, and that's the addition of the salad. So I'm just going to quickly run through chopping these up and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so that's got all that nicely chopped up. I'm just going to arrange these vegetables on my sandwich nicely. Let's get a few in there. And likewise with the tomato. Look at those juicy tomatoes, aren't they gorgeous? Look at that. Put that there. And because we're putting tomatoes on, I need some black pepper. If I can. There's plenty of salt in the cold meats, but I need some black pepper. And I'm going to put on some basil leaves, because basil and tomatoes are like awesomeness. There we go. And just the whole lot off with some lettuce. Like that. And then let's see if we can't get this lid on top of this now. Lift it up and over, making sure everything gets tucked inside. There you go. And we'll give that a slice through. See what that looks like. Let's get in close on that. Okay, time to get this bad boy plated up. Okay, I'm going to serve that with a couple of pickles on the side, because I can. Let's have another one each, because it's got to be done that way. Additionally, and also from Aldi, I've got these really nice crinkle cut this time, not lattice cut, West Country cheddar and chili jam flavoured crisps, or chips as you may know them. Let's do this way, it'll look better on the plate I think. So there we have it. So just to reiterate, what we have is it's spread with British cheddar cheese spread. On top of that we've got some Dutch Maasdam cheese, and we've got on top of that we've got some German salami, peppered salami, and we've got some Polish wieszka sausage, and on top of that we've got some German lightly smoked ham, and the salads, and the whole is served on a sun-dried tomato ciabatta bread. I'm going to get on the outside of that as fast as I can.
If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.